Welcome to my channel Crochet Rainbows and Butterflies. Today we're going to learn how to crochet these cat cable organizers. For this tutorial I'm using crochet hook 3mm and the yarn that I'm using is crochet velvet yarn. You will also need a yarn needle and a different color 4-ply yarn that I've used for the whiskers. So let's get started. We'll start by making the cat first. We begin with a magic circle. Now for those of you who do not know how to work a magic circle, I have a video on that as well. I'll leave the link to that video in the description box below. Now once you have your magic circle, you need to start by working 8 single crochets. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now you pull the loose end to close the circle. And now you work a slip stitch into the first stitch of this row. Now for the next row, we start with a chain 1 in the single crochet. In the first single crochet, you need to work 2 single crochets. In the second stitch, 2 single crochets. In the third stitch, 2 single crochets. And now you need to continue working 2 single crochets in each stitch of this row. At the end of this row, you will have a total of 16 stitches. Once you complete all your stitches, you need to join it with a slip stitch into the first stitch of this row. Now for the third row, you chain 1. In the first stitch, you work 1 single crochet. In the second stitch, you work 2 single crochets. Now we're going to repeat that. In the first stitch here, you work 1 single crochet. In the second stitch, 2 single crochets. 1, 2. Again. In the first stitch, 1 single crochet. In the second stitch, 2 single crochets. And now you need to continue working this till you reach the end of this row, and you will have a total of 24 stitches. After you complete your row, you need to join it with the slip stitch into the first stitch of this row. We're going to start the next row. We're going to make the ears now. Chain 1. In the same stitch here, you're going to work 1 double crochet. In the next stitch, you work 1 double crochet, chain 3, and 1 double crochet in the same stitch. Now in the next stitch, you work 1 double crochet, and in the same stitch, you work a slip stitch. Now you need to work slip stitch in the next 3 stitches. It's 1, 2, and 3. In the next stitch, you work 1 double crochet. in the next stitch you work 1 double crochet, chain 3 and 1 double crochet in the same stitch. Now in the next stitch you work 1 double crochet and you work a slip stitch in the same stitch there. After you complete your slip stitch, you work a slip stitch in the next stitch, chain 1, leave a little yarn and cut it. Now we'll start making the strap. You begin with a slip knot and you work a chain of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Now in the third chain from the hook, you do not count the one that's on the hook. That's 1, 2 and this is the third one. Right into this stitch you work 1 double crochet. Now you work 1 double crochet in the next stitch, one double crochet in the next stitch and continue working 1 double crochet in each stitch of this entire row. After you complete working your double crochets, you work a chain of 10 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And now you need to work a slip stitch right here. We started right here when you completed your double crochet. So we're going to turn this and you work your stitch right here. And now you work a slip stitch into the next stitch here. Chain 1 and leave a little yarn and cut it. Now I have my yarn needle and a little bit of yarn here. I'm going to start with the whiskers. And the same on the other side. Now you can either use a glue gun to stick them together or you can sew these two parts together. I'll be using a glue gun to attach them. Once you've completed it, you can just tie it up like this. Attach it to your wires. We completed working the crochet cable organizer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and happy crocheting.